Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So right now we're there, we about to run go Walmart real quick. Yo, I forgot to charge the camera. Camera watch a blink right now, so me about to run go, make you get a cup of juice before we actually touch out. You look like it a go rain. Yo, them clothes they look like two puppy, me I show you. Right now. Up! Yeah, I gotta get a slap when you're on again, you know. Yeah. For your seatbelt, something there.
Yeah, you know, some put in another vlog.
So right now we're there. We're there on our way about to go Walmart because we're gonna get some. Oh, yeah, go back. Tripod and him something there. Memory card battery and him something there. Because we have a eventful week coming up. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a lovely week. We're not gonna appreciate them vlog, yeah. We're not gonna love them vlog, yeah. Gonna be entertainment. I don't know when me gonna upload the vlog, yeah. You know what I mean? But just in case, Chabas, yeah, when you say upload your vlog,
7 days.
No, the vlog we are shoot right now. We are tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, so me upload a vlog yesterday. Oh yes, so me have to upload a vlog tomorrow. Alright, so we are going on a trip. We taking a trip. You know what I mean?
So no, they can't do it. We're going on a little trip.
Yeah.
Somebody has to come with you, but we're not doing that yet.
Yeah.
But we're going on that trip.
We're going on that trip. So right now we're there. We just look couple things. We just shop around. Chabas are gonna get some Air Force. Right. Yeah. We're gonna get Air Force on him. Someday we're gonna get socks and beer things and slippers and beer things. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, so right now we just got Best Buy. Not Best Buy. Where we are going? Walmart. We are going Walmart right now. We get a camera stand. Where the woman they just push out and push. Me I say yo. Yeah, right now we are going Walmart. Go get memory card, camera stand and battery. Yeah. So wait, no camera there. Show them baby. Oh my god, I don't know what I see it. Video clean. Yes, the Chabas up him thing again to a different level. Yo, the video on that. Oh my god, I'm in love with the video on that. The video so crystal, so clear. So yeah, who know get good quality content. Yeah. HD 4K.
Vlog them soon turn up, man.
Just watch. Remember we promised you know we are doing it for now. Yes, so Walmart there. So quick. Alright, we're there Walmart, so we go check in back with you now. Right now we're there, we reach Walmart. Crochet, we are going to crochet people. Knitting. See crochet needle them there. Me I pick up a new hobby. Yeah, what over here so. Button. Sometimes I need some button, you know. But yeah, we're there, I don't even know what we are looking for. Where I look for? Come on. Chabas just buy the tripod them. No, we are look here in a can. See if them have here in a can. Yo, me see if you ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle now?
They lock them.
That me I see.
They lock them.
Walmart 2 days when we used to can ride bicycle Walmart. What not do with this so?
Lock them down.
Yeah, so we are look here in a can right now. And just like that we are here out of Walmart. We'll get where we go forget.
You go try for me now, you know.
Hook him up man. Let me see for him. You know what I mean? Right now we're not go get no shaky video complimentary to Andrew.
Yes, right. We gotta do what we gotta do. For y'all.
Yeah. Tripod.
Something else. Come with all the part of that.
Look up on him something there.
Oh, your phone. Oh shit, I like that.
Oh, for the iPhone. And the GoPro.
Alright, that does that.
Enough for what I'm filming. Can watch you. Alright guys, this is an unboxing video.
You have to go.
Unboxing with Andrew Live.
Okay, so I don't need these.
You don't need those.
I can do. Okay. So I need this and this. I can do. Okay, so
Yes.
you said so. Every time this way not shaky. I really set it how you want it still. Yeah. See it ain't tight.
No, you're fine though.
Yeah, put this here so.
Screw
Just screw on. That's
right.
it. I hope the vlog thing fool me, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Voila!
Oh Lord!
Bitches,
Oh
I'm live!
Lord!
Hello!
Oh Lord!
So vlog well, we're not gonna get no more shaky footage like that. It's not gonna really that bad. But did this vlog.
No more of them.
Yeah, I do have vlog, but I actually have the stand for
Jesus Christ. So yeah, we about to do road from one
you
more.
can drive, so
Where?
like this.
Yeah, when you're alone in here.
No. Yeah, that.
Yeah man, kickstart.
Kickstart.
I come like one of your house then dead.
Lit.
Yeah, so right
Look
now.
how smooth my camera going. And I drive edge.
Watch mine a shake. Put it. Mine a shake.
Yeah man, the
Alright.
thing up now. We so forward.
Once me stop the part, yeah, me go screw on for me too. Yeah, me go screw on for me right now too. So yeah, we're there. So ladies and gentlemen, we are on the stand right now. If you understand right now. So we're there. We just reached back from Walmart. Me I try out the new. Okay. Look, the shower said, look, we try out the new stands up here. You can bend up in a ace, you can do 360, Rene, all of them something. But yeah, we're there, and Ricky about to come link with. And next guest about to come link with.
Surprise too.
Blue over this, so look like you want to come link with.
You let them know walk. Remember Killer walk from New York, right?
That's gonna be a hookah.
Nah, we did that one. Hey,
Shalom! I got to check. Tell her to the walk. Hey, Midge. Go easy. Go easy.
You get too excited, man. So we there, vlog is live, dog. You see how we live now?
Sit down like this one layer.
Yeah?
The flight was lengthy.
That was the layer. My
Look.
Quiet, the
delay.
one.
Me see you with your leg room with the good flight there. The good seat there.
So forward, you see?
I'm on thing, man.
Fly delay, man, yo.
Dust spot. New York cold, see me?
Yeah. Freezing. You know, have big chain, gold chain.
Drummer Roach. Killer Walk, I wonder where you find in the outside toilet country. The big one there.
Yo.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
Come on the ends and you see me, I beer food, I run now.
we like.
See biscuit that a draw we close, you know. The biscuit.
I'm sorry, yeah.
Yeah, right now we're there and we are roach it out. It's a roach time. We're up on live.
We'll see you soon, I'll make a video.
We show you so we're up on live.
Hold on, I can't take it serious, like, me not, me go
No, come on, man, you.
You can't make video.
People, say hello to me vlog.
And the touch going on the airport, you see. Come on. Road suit, I'm my airport.
Oh, me have my Air Force, we
All
can
the
put that.
them love me.
Yo, me can't
All the water box in the hub me.
Yo,
Yo, me can't take it serious. Me don't think we can't do that's it.
right now me out.
Can't take it serious.
Right, so ready to talk to my vlog?
Oh shit. You know, dead serious.
Who do not speak English?
The antennas that
Yo,
go like sea.
Roach speak English?
Don't get on that bed.
When I left the back door open,
When they left the back door open,
I two big roads coming
and
out.
two Jumbo Roach come in.
Do the video, man.
Yeah.
People, if you want a roach video, press
Press 1.
1, not 2, 1. If you want a roach video, press 1.
My youth, they eat the whole like biscuit now.
If you don't want more roach video, say roach. If you want to see roach again, say roach. Oh.
Hey Roach, come them approach. But that the teacher say, I come. Batty boy can come when roach are there. Yo, you know what the roach are tell them say? Give me the breast, so me keep the breast, me and the roach.
That's a big black roach. Roach, I don't know my name. It's a roach, you got roach, my name.
He's me feeling to wake me up.
Blue, come take off this. Wait, what?
But no! The roach there are fish. He might eat all fish.
Once you job this is now, what up?
Yo, if me ever go upstairs and eat that white girl see me here, so she tear down the whole place. Alright ladies, if you're in the Fort Lauderdale area, come do a roach video tonight.
You can't spray me with no raid.
Me no care where you're bad from. Not the raid where you spray from.
They can't. You are spray on the top of my bun. You can't spray me with no raid.
Yo, we no like rat.
Yo, you can't do one bacon commercial,
rat.
you know.
Feel what, bacon?
Yo, remember about the roach ravers?
Roach ravers.
Yeah man, dance now, dance.
Give them it. Dance the crazy roach, kill the crazy roach. Dance the crazy roach, kill them with the roach. Dance the crazy roach, bust the crazy roach. Dance the crazy. Yo, you see them here? Good thing them.
Are the good roach?
Yo, you know see one article come out to say roach milk good for you.
My phone are dead, so me both
Oh no, watch out. You sweat. Booba roach your mouth. Go run go in a Walmart, just run through Walmart as a roach. I remember running it down with a map. Boy, you know. Boy, God. Yeah, this is me turn up here, so, and you walk over here, so.
Yo, don't want to have me.
Yo, vlog girl, me soon forward. Cause me hot here now.
Killer walk, this is a
Right now. Right now, killer walk, we in a killer walk whip. Killer walk.
Good car there.
The good car them.
Yo, no light no run us.
What's that trying for a light around there, sir? Killer walk have too much things in their pocket in car. Come in that car yet. Right now we are about to go look some food.
This is a live moment right now.
You don't know if me have. Oh, you still up on live? Shabba still up on live?
Yeah man, see the people. We live, baby.
Yeah man, yeah, Dan is the man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are about to go consume some food right now.
Okay, see. I'm literally dying, bro. I want some Wendy's or some Chipotle, bro.
Oh, a long time we don't mash up some Chick-fil-A, you know.
Chipotle, bro. My name is Billy. I'm bad, bro.
So right now we here, we just reached the spot.
Yeah. Put out the Billy.
Kingston, Manchester, Fort Lauderdale.
What you say?
This nigga vlogging.
What you saying? Like water?
Just me, mama can't eat them something. Man, the banda here.
Are we in here at a party?
Ice cream still in up.
Wait up, ice cream? So right now, we just reached back. Fried chicken and curry gravy with the boss I consume right now. Right now, we're just here. And this is where I'm going to close this vlog. And upload it phone so I can get it. Yo, look why I'm dance till my full. I sweat, you know. I'm tired. Watch it. Yo, my shirt legitly wet, you know. Yes, so right now, yeah, so I close the vlog, upload the one here so I get it. And like me always tell you know when this done, me just gonna start the next one so I can get it in a 2 days time. I'm out.